Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to play cello. We start with our first finger on the A string, high second finger on D. And then we are playing starting on the D string. D, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And then we are playing again, same pattern as in the beginning. D, 1, 1, A, 2, 1, D. F sharp, so high second finger. And then D, 3, 3, 3, so G all the time. Small scale downwards. D, 1, 2. Very easy. And now 4, 4. So we are playing open A string or 4. 4 sounds nicer. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D, D. 4, 2, 1, D. And then 4, 4. So again the same pattern as we had before. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now we have the refrain part on the E string, low second finger. And we are starting da 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 da. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. E, E, 1, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3 on A, 3 on A, moving with a small scale to the first finger, 3, E, 1. Again, repetition of that. 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, I, A, 1, 4. 3, A, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3 on A string. And again the run up, 3, E, 1. And then again here we have the refrain. So very easy, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. So just 2 notes. 3, 3, 3, and then we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. So that is like 3 finger scale. And then again, repetition of what we had before. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. And then open A, and then 3, 3, 3, 3, A, and then the second finger on the D string. Thank you for watching this quick overview of the song Cello. I hope it was helpful for you. Please give this video a quick thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to this channel for weekly violin lessons. Hope to see you next week again. Bye bye!